Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever wondered how to perfectly cook those humble white button mushrooms? They're truly a kitchen staple, adding a wonderful earthy flavor and satisfying texture to so many different meals. Learning just a few simple techniques can really transform them, turning a good dish into something absolutely amazing. You'll find they become wonderfully golden, tender, and incredibly flavorful, ready to elevate any recipe. First things first, let's talk about preparing your mushrooms. You might be tempted to rinse them under the tap, but mushrooms are like tiny sponges. They'll soak up water quickly. This can make them soggy and less flavorful when cooked. So instead, just grab a damp paper towel or a soft brush and gently wipe away any dirt. Make sure to trim off any dry or woody bits from the stem ends too. This simple step ensures your mushrooms cook up beautifully crisp and golden. Now for the cooking. A wide pan is your best friend here, giving the mushrooms plenty of room to breathe. Heat it over medium-high heat, then add a good tablespoon of olive oil or butter, letting it get nice and hot. Resist the urge to crowd the pan, cook them in batches if you need to. This allows them to brown beautifully, developing that rich, savory flavor. Let them cook undisturbed for a few minutes before stirring, for that perfect golden color. Once your mushrooms are nicely browned, it's time to add some extra magic. During the last couple of minutes, toss in some minced garlic or finely sliced shallots for an aromatic kick. Fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary, or a sprinkle of chopped parsley work wonders, bringing out their natural earthy notes. For an extra bright finish, a splash of white wine or a tiny squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the very end can truly elevate the taste, making them irresistible. And there you have it, perfectly cooked white mushrooms. They're fantastic as a simple side dish, ready to complement almost any meal. Toss them into pasta, stir them into an omelet, or pile them high on grilled meats. Don't be afraid to experiment with different seasonings and sauces. Once you master this basic technique, a world of delicious possibilities opens up in your kitchen, making every meal truly delightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.